What I noticed is a lot of people have seen some of my past videos about how to run Instagram ads using what we call a follower ad. If you guys don't know what a follower ad is, you can go back into my other videos, but essentially it's a boosted post. And one of the things that I see people struggle with the most when they run Instagram follower ads is that they're not specific enough. And as much as you think you're being specific, more times than not, you could be more specific. This especially applies to the fitness industry because there's so many fitness coaches, and same thing with business coaches, that if you're using the same generic templates as everybody else, then you're going to sound just like everybody else. So that's even in the scripts. So what I wanted to do in this YouTube video is kind of show you guys some examples of some scripts that have worked really well for us in the past, and you guys can actually use these and change them and tweak them and make your own. So Instagram reel number one, 5 signs you need a coach. Is your coaching business just not growing like you were told it would? Okay, so a very strong, clear call to action. The hook is really important. So when you read that, you instantly identify with yes or no. Here's five signs you should hire a coach. Okay, and then we go bullet point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's usually pain points driven, right? So you've been making the same amount of money, so you're not growing. You charge low ticket. You don't have a clear offer. You don't have a predictable lead generation system. So it's pain, pain, pain. So if you guys notice, strong hook, pain, 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 and then solution, which is a clear call to action, which is DM me this word, give me a follow, something like that. Okay, number 2. If you're an online coach making less than $10,000 a month, I know a lot of you guys have probably seen this already, but the reason why we do this is because it's an income disqualifier. You're going to have tons of people that are making less than $10,000 a month that are going to click on this ad. However, what it's going to do, it's going to spark curiosity because you're like, well, I want to make at least $10,000 a month, or at least I want to lose 10 pounds or have a 6-pack or whatever it is. But we're very direct in telling us who this is for. Okay, so if you're an online coach making less than 10,000, don't just skip this video. Okay, and then we kind of tell them why they should skip this video because of all the secrets that we're going to talk about what we're going to do. And then what we do is we kind of add proof about what we do and then how we do it, which is we position you as a go-to expert in your specific niche, run one simple Instagram ad just like this one, so kind of walking them through how it works. And then last one, I think there's 3, maybe there's 4, is Instagram testimonial. Social proof trumps all, right? So if you're an online coach that's trying to scale past $20,000 a month and just can't seem to generate enough sales, again, guys, read it. The first line should either spark curiosity, engagement, intrigue, fear. Like it should spark some type of emotion. So for this, it says can't generate enough sales. So you can instantly identify with, is that you or is it not? Okay. And then I actually have social proof. So like my coach X, there's 2 main things that he changed. So I'm telling you guys in the ad what we did, and then again, a very clear call to action. So if you want your coaching business to reach over $50,000 a month as X client, social proof again, here's how we do it, call to action. Okay. Real ad number 4. Are you a coach that's great at coaching, got a small budget for ads? Like we've seen this one. It's pretty direct. I know a lot of other coaches, I'm not going to lie, have used something similar. It's okay. I honestly, this is something that a copywriter had written for me, and we tweaked it back and forth and ran some different ads. That's why you guys always need to test. But it's like you're good at coaching, got a small budget for ads, because the thing that people, why it says small budget for ads, a lot of people think you got to spend a lot of money with ads to get clients, and that's not true. You can spend, $1,000 and make $3,000 or $5,000. You can spend a couple hundred and make $1,000. So it's not necessarily like you have to spend a huge amount of money. And then who am I? Because you have to understand that it's a cold ad. So cold ad, people don't really know who you are. So I'm Will. In the past 3 years, I've helped my coaches earn over 8 figures. So social proof. So if you're a coach that blah, 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 give me a follow. Okay. So the premise that I want you guys to understand is you guys can actually stop this video and steal these and run these today and instantly start getting clients. But I want you guys to understand the premise of it is that there's a lot of different ways to run Instagram follower ads or awareness ads or follower, whatever you want to call them. And it takes time and it takes testing. So like we tested, I think there's 4 different copies that we tested. And I want to say the one that did the best was actually this one, number one. I thought this one would do well, but the problem is everybody's seen this. If you're a coach doing, under $10,000 a month, or if you're an online coach trying to scale past 20, like, they're good, but it could be a little bit more direct. Like, hey, are you a coach that wants to love your business again? Right? Are you a coach that's staring at an empty calendar? So you can kind of use these hooks to play around, but I wanted to create this video so you guys could see it. Once again, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. And then if you guys are interested, we do have a school community where we show you guys how to do all this. There should be a link below that you guys can click on and get signed up.